Now, heavy rainfall and thunderstorm lashed Mumbai and its suburbs on Wednesday due to the incessant rainfall. In fact, several low-lying pockets of the suburbs, such as Mulund, Bhandup, as well as Andheri subway, witnessed waterlogging. Now, the BMC has declared a holiday for all schools and colleges in Mumbai today. You're essentially looking at the visuals on your screens at the moment, but let's also tell you 14 flights were diverted from Mumbai airport till 10 p.m. on Wednesday due to the bad weather. Local trains as well faced the brunt of the mayhem, with locals delayed and operating at a cautious speed. Amid heavy rain, the IMD has issued a red alert for Mumbai and Thane and predicted heavy rain in parts of the city. Now, the Mumbai police has also issued an advisory for Mumbaikars to stay indoors. Shweta Verma, my colleague, joins me for more as far as what it's looking like on ground zero. Shweta, very good morning. Looking at the visuals, we are given to understand the situation's not looking great at the moment. Tell us where you're reporting from and what's a key takeaway that we need to understand from this particular situation, given that the alert is in place.
Well, that's right. In fact, we are situated near Malad subway, and what we also understand at this given point of time is that fortunately it's not raining as of now, but yes, it was a monsoon mayhem, not exactly the time where people were expecting a great time to have that monsoon experience. But at the end of September, Mumbaikars witnessed heavy rainfall, and IMD has also sounded an orange alert for Mumbai and red alert for Palghar area. However, this was the forecast, and as per their latest reading, one has to understand the rainfall that would be witnessed in next 24 hours. Apart from this, as you were speaking about the visuals, which were of course horrific, which we have seen, the waterlogging which was everywhere. The nooks and cranny of Mumbai was submerged. In fact, 14 flights were diverted, and what we also see was the jam-packed roads. There was exactly the whole chaos what we can understand. The railway station were utmost crowded because of the delayed and cancelled trains. The metros were looking in the same situation. Exactly for 6 to 7 hours, Mumbai did witness a heavy rainfall and resulting into total standstill of the city. What we also understand is that it's not just Mumbai police, but also BMC and IMD have issued a notice, in fact, to Mumbaikars, stating very clearly that until and unless it is necessary, do not step out of the home. Here they have also mentioned that the places which are getting submerged or getting waterlogged, that has to be reported to BMC. But clearly what we also see is that yesterday the whole evening was very chaotic and very problematic for Mumbaikars, as it was a time where all the means of transportation were also stuck, resulting into great crowd at the public transport places. Back to you.